It just split it into two. Oh well. Now I'm going to shorten this loop too. Okay, put my 4mm bead on it. Okay, there we go. Make sure that bead wire is straight. I see that my weaving bent quite a bit there. I'm going to straighten it. Not sure when that happened, but it's easy enough to straighten. Just gently grip it and twist it. There, that looks better. So what the beauty of wire work is, even though you're doing a similar pattern over and over again, every pair is different. So this pair's done, and they turned out beautiful. Beautiful. But they are totally different. Totally different than the other ones. Look at the shape difference. Wow. They're both beautiful. And every pair you make will be beautiful too. Okay? Thanks for joining me in this video. This is an exclusive video that is only for my $15 a month tier. And I appreciate everybody that joins that. And I will continue to try and create wonderful tutorials for you. Okay? Talk to you soon. God bless. Bye.